Let us look at another example involving solving simultaneous linear and nonlinear equations. In this example, it is slightly different from the previous example, whereby one of the equations, equation 1, is in a very nice form. What do I mean by a very nice form? It can be easily substituted into the second equation without having to manipulate much. So I will substitute equation 1 into equation 2 right from the start. Right, so I'll substitute 1 into 2, giving me this equation. We will then simplify it by expansion to get, and then simplify it even further to get a quadratic equation. So again, we will solve this, factorize this using cross method and giving me this. So we will obtain the two x values, whereby x equals to half or x equals to -4. Now for this question, it really doesn't matter, or it's really up to a personal preference which equations you want to substitute half and -4 into. For me, I would prefer to substitute the values of x into equation 2 because I don't really like working with quadratic equations. But it really is up to you. So I will just substitute x equals to half into equation 2, and I'll get the value of y equals to -1/4. Similarly, substitute x equals to -4 into equation 2, giving me y equals to -7. So therefore, x equals to half when y equals to -1/4, or when x equals to -4, y equals to -7. You can check if these answers are correct by substituting back into either of the equation. These values should help to satisfy these equations.